So she has containers, she has everything. So if you're thinking of making your own stuff and you don't know where to buy ingredients here in Abuja, or if you're in a neighboring city, she can deliver to you. I'm going to leave a picture of her of her page and her card so you guys can contact her yourself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. Okay, so it's a beautiful Wednesday morning and I'm about to make my African black soap. So I was about to get started and then I realized that a lot of people want to know, or a lot of people ask me where they can get some of these things from. So this is one place. This is not just where I get everything, but this is one place that I'm certain to get most of the things that I need, and that is the You and Nature store. She's based here in Abuja, Gariki, Ultra Modern Market. I will leave a picture of her card somewhere on the screen so you guys can see her contact and get in touch with her. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So I got a couple of products from her. I think this is another very good soap that I'm going to be trying out and letting you guys know what I think. Is the Bavaria International Glutathione and Mahad Whitening Black Soap. You can see for yourself. So I'm going to be trying this out. I got this for 1,000 naira from her. Another thing I also got was these White Now exfoliating and lightening super fast triple action soap. There's a lot of things written on it, but I'm going to be trying that as well and giving you guys my review. I also got the White Now lotion. Someone asked me about this lotion, and in order for me to talk about it, I have to try it out myself. So like I always like to get the soap and the lotion together. So soap, lotion together, so you guys can see. I will be letting you know what I think about this cream in a bit. Okay, I also got some neem powder from her as well. Neem powder. If you watch this video up here, so you know what neem powder does. Because I'm beginning to break out, so I need to treat that. This is mulberry. Also need to watch this video so you see what I say. I remember I said I loved mulberry, so this is it. Mulberry powder. Okay, what else? I also got activated charcoal. I usually use this to lighten my underarms, my bum area with lemon juice, just to lighten. This helps to lighten dark areas basically. I also got this raw Ghana black soap from her as well, so I'm going to be making my soap. Another thing you guys need to know is when you're making your soap, don't start using immediately. Let it cure for a while before you start using it. Okay, so I also got some carrot oil. Yes, I'm going to be using this for my soap and my skin as well. I also got some glutathione powder. If you watch that video, I talked about glutathione too as a benefit, as an organic lightening powder for skin lightening. And the last one I got here was this oil, this purple oil. I've been hearing about it. I don't really know what it does, but here it says it's purple lightening oil provides your skin with a burst of radiance with all the benefits of papaya. It's exfoliating properties, regenerating, moisturizing, and all of that. And it also smells nice, so there's no harm in trying this. I will also be trying this and letting you guys know what I think of it. So yeah, I will leave a picture of her card. She has a lot of things, many things that you need. She has everything. She might have everything, but she has lots of things that you definitely need. So she has containers, she has everything. So if you're thinking of making your own stuff and you don't know where to buy ingredients here in Abuja, or if you're in a neighboring city, she can deliver to you. I'm going to leave a picture of her page and her card so you guys can contact her yourself. Okay, so yeah, moving on to making my African black soap. So yeah, all right, bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye guys.